Best paying side hustles for making money at home. There are many ways to earn money online, but the best way to start is to create your own best paying side jobs. You can do this by working for someone else on a per task basis. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about best paying side hustles for making money at home. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. They might need someone like you to help with their website or fill out surveys. It doesn't matter what it is you will be doing, it will just be for a set amount of time. Once your time is up, you can quit and make a bunch of cash without ever leaving your home. There are so many different opportunities out there for people that want to make some extra cash. Many people try fast food places for the fast food dollar. That may work for some, but it won't make you rich. I know that when I was first starting out I tried to cash in there, but it just didn't work for me. It took me years to understand that the best side hustles to do were going to be ones that didn't require a lot of startup cost. I am going to share with you a method that is going to require you no startup cost at all. That is by writing articles. It's really something simple, but it's a time-consuming task. It takes you a few hours a day to write a new article or blog post. If you dedicate at least an hour a day to writing articles, you will begin to see some results. When people come to your site, they will see your content. They may click on an ad to get more information about your site. If they want to know more, you must provide them with fresh new content. That's why you must get started today. One of the most amazing aspects of writing is that it only takes a few minutes a day. The best part about it is that even if you don't know anything about writing, you can still do it. Just get started on your articles today. Write about what you want to learn. As you write, you will notice that you are becoming better at it. One thing to keep in mind is that everyone has different goals for their writing. Some want to make a lot of money while others are just looking for work to supplement their income. Everyone is motivated by different things. Keep that in mind as you get started. Something that many people forget to think about is that they need to set some boundaries for themselves. Many times when someone is working from home, the only time that they get to be productive is when they are sitting at their computer. If you don't set boundaries for yourself, you will easily get distracted by other things. You must stay focused on your goals. Once you have decided to take the road less traveled and get started on your own, you must be disciplined. It is easy to slack off and not follow through with your goals. Take massive action each day. When I first started my internet business, it took me almost a year to get my first sale. But once I started writing every morning and every night and following through with my schedule, I was making enough money to quit my job and work full-time. So if you want to make money now, get started on your best paying side hustles right now. If you want to know how to be successful in this business, you must stay focused. Be sure to write down your goals and start taking massive action each and every day. Also, many people find it helpful to join a mastermind group or a forum where you can discuss strategies and talk to others who are already making money online. You will find that by communicating with others and brainstorming on different ways to make money, you will have an easier time becoming successful. If you are one of those people that can't start out trusting your ideas, then you might want to consider purchasing an ebook that helps you understand how to become successful in this industry. There are several excellent ebooks available for purchase right now. After reading these, you should have a much better understanding of what is required and how to be successful. Make sure to stay consistent. The most important thing when working on your home-based side hustles is to stay consistent. People are very skeptical when it comes to making money from home. They see all kinds of claims made by different people that seem to promise a great income, but once they actually get started they become very disappointed. By keeping your goals realistic and sticking to them, you will soon see results. Thanks for watching my video about best paying side hustles for making money at home. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.